Computer virus and its types. Purpose of creating computer virus, their symptoms, effects, transmission modes, as well as the preventive measures of computer virus. All these topics will be discussed in this video, and eventually I will explain what is antivirus. So keep watching the complete video. Hello and welcome everyone. Let me start with the definition of computer virus. Let me introduce to computer virus. Actually, computer virus is a man-made harmful computer program that affects the normal functioning of a computer system. It is a type of malicious software that is designed to spread from one computer to another and that has the potential to harm the computer programs, data, software, as well as the computer network. So, computer virus is simply a destructive, harmful program that affects the normal functioning of our computer system by damaging the program files, data, software, as well as the hardware parts of the computer system. There are different types of computer virus such as the boot sector virus, file infector virus, multipartite virus, macro virus, worm, Trojan horse, polymorphic virus, and so on. But only these types of virus will be discussed. So let me start with the boot sector virus. Boot sector virus. It is a startup infector virus that infects the bootstrap loader, or we can say the master boot record, which is a small program that helps to load the operating system. When the infected device is booted, the virus code is executed and it changes the program of the master boot record that does not allow the operating system to load in our computer system, and that is why this virus mainly affects the operating system. The examples of boot sector virus are the cbrain, diskler, and so on. And the next one is the file infector virus. These viruses infect the executable files or programs. Executable files means those program files that has the extension such as .exe or .sys or .com. These are the executable files or programs which is affected by the file infector virus. Actually, these viruses affects the application programs or application softwares of our computer system. The examples of file infector virus are ambulance virus, die hard, and so on. Similarly, another one is the multipartite virus. This virus has the ability of infecting the master boot record or the operating system as well as the application software. So it has the capability or potential to harm both the operating system as well as the other application softwares. The examples of multipartite virus are the ghost ball, invader, and so on. And the next one is the macro virus. These viruses are embedded in documents that support macros such as Microsoft Office documents. When a user opens an infected document and enables macros, the virus can execute and spread to other documents. Basically, these viruses affects the document files that are created from the application software such as Microsoft Word and so on, and that is why macrovirus is also known as the document infector virus. The example of macrovirus are the love letter, Melissa, and so on. And the next one is computer worm. It is a malicious computer program that replicates but does not hide itself in other files. Just like computer virus, it has the feature of multiplying its source code, however, they does not hide themselves in other files. It is similar to computer viruses and it can cause negative effects too. It can also independently transfer from one computer to another in the network without the user interactions. The examples of computer worm are PSW, Bugbear, Mapson, and so on. And the next one is the Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a destructive program that does not replicate. However, it can harm the computer system by providing remote access to someone else. They hide in the files and programs that seems harmless. However, they can harm the computer files and programs after their activation. So they hide themselves in the programs and files, and whenever such files are used or opened, they gets activated and they can harm the particular file and folder in which they are hiding. Finally, let me tell you about the polymorphic virus. These viruses can change their code or appearance to escape detection by antivirus software. So they are very dangerous computer virus that can change their code in order to hide from the antivirus software. They rewrite their own code each time they infect a new file or system. So it is difficult for antivirus software to detect such type of virus. Now let me tell you about the purpose of creating computer virus. The first one is to steal data and information. So the programmers or the persons create computer virus for stealing the data and information from the computer system. Similarly, to destroy the data, information and files of a particular computer, the virus are created. In the same way, to earn money as well, the programmers or the people create computer virus. And the next one is to expose programming ability. Programmers wants to show their programming talent or ability, and that's why they create computer virus. So these are some of the reasons for creating computer virus. Okay, now let's see some of the symptoms of computer virus. How can we know that our computer system is affected from virus? The first one is the program takes more time to load or fails to load. If we are opening any software or program, it may not open or it may take more time to load. Similarly, irritating messages may appear on the computer screen suddenly. So this is one of the symptom of computer virus. And the next one is computer becomes slow. Our computer system performance becomes slow if it is infected from computer virus. And the next one is the program opens automatically without giving instruction. Some of the applications or the programs may open automatically without the instructions. Similarly, we can experience the missing of files or mismatch of files in our computer system, and the computer gets shut down unexpectedly. If we are running the computer and it may get shut down suddenly, then also we should understand that our computer system is affected from the computer virus. So these are some of the symptoms of computer virus from which we can understand that our computer system is affected from the computer virus. Now let's see the effects of computer virus. Computer virus destroy the data and programs. Similarly, it reduces the overall performance of the computer system, makes our computer hang, our computer becomes slow or it does not work properly. Similarly, it delete or remove the files permanently. Next effect is it changes the size of the files. It may increase the size of the files and folders. Similarly, it spreads from one computer to another. So these are some of the effects of computer virus that we can see in our computer system if it is infected from the computer virus. Now let me tell you about the modes of computer virus transmission, how the computer virus transfer from one computer to another. Sharing of infected external storage devices like pen drive, CD, DVD may help the virus transfer from one computer to another. Similarly, Using pirated software also helps the virus transfer from one computer to another. Downloading the files from unknown websites. If we are downloading the files from unknown websites, then also the virus may come from the internet to our computer system. Similarly, exchanging of data and informations over the network. If we are sending or receiving data over network, then there is the chance of virus transmission with the particular data and information. Opening virus infected emails is also one of the mode of virus transmission. The virus may enter into our computer system if we are opening the mail that has already a virus file attachment. So these are some of the modes of virus transmission. Now let's see the methods of protection from virus. How can we protect our computer from virus? First of all, we have to install the powerful antivirus software in order to protect our computer from virus. Similarly, we have to update the antivirus software regularly. Do not use the pirated software. We should not use the pirated software in order to protect our computer from virus. Similarly, we should not download the files from the internet from the unknown site. So if the site is unknown to us, or if the website is not known, we should not download files from such websites. Similarly, we have to scan the external media like the pen drive, CD, DVD before using it. We have to scan such devices before copying files and information. Next one is, do not open unknown emails. We should not open the unknown or the spam emails because it may contain virus. Similarly, we have to use a strong password to protect from unauthorized access by others. So we have to keep password in our computer system so that unknown users may not access it. This also helps our computer to protect from virus. Finally, let me tell you about the antivirus. Actually, antivirus is a useful computer program that detects and removes virus from the computer system. It is a utility program that protects computer hardware and software from being damaged due to the viruses. So antivirus is the useful computer program that protects our computer from virus infection by detecting and removing the virus from the computer system. Some of the examples of antivirus software are the Quick Heal, Kaspersky, AVG, which is Antivirus Guard, Norton, and so on. So this much for now. I hope you have understood the computer virus, its types, and other topics as well. Now if you want to know about the computer hardware, you can click on the left video, and if you want to know about the computer software, you can click on the right video. So see you in the next video.